I want to add a dimension to your pentatonic guitar solos or your modal guitar solos by using pentatonic substitutions. Now, this is great if you're just starting and you're really locked into that pentatonic box, right? And you're not really exploring modes just yet. This is a great tool to just throw in to add a little bit of flavor. If you are right in Dorian, let's just say, right, you're utilizing the modes, a pentatonic substitution is great because it gives you the same minor third, whole step, minor third, and then whole step back to the root note feel, right? That interval pattern that we're so used to, but in a new way because you're not starting on the root note. So what I like to do, one of my favorite ones, is Dorian. Let's just say I'm playing in an A minor Dorian, and I'm using my pentatonic, is move that pentatonic up a whole step. Right? And what that does is gives me a 2, 4, 5, 6 root note 2. That gives me such a Dorian feel while having a familiar pentatonic interval spelling, right? So it sounds like this. I'm gonna put this Dorian backing track on, right? And from here in my minor, throw it in there, sounds really nice, and it's going to give you such a Dorian feel with the 2 and the 6 really being displayed. Next example is my other favorite pentatonic substitution is if I'm in a C Lydian, it's relative, is doing the same idea. If I'm either just playing a C major pentatonic, because I'm in C Lydian, or I know that mode, I'm going to play a minor pentatonic on the 7 of that degree, a half step down from my root note, right, in C Lydian. So a B minor pentatonic. What that gives me is a 7, 2, 3, sharp 4, 6. That's my spelling now. In this example, I have my C Lydian. Play my C major pentatonic for that. And then now, if you are an intermediate guitar player stuck in that sort of boring, boxy guitar solo plateau that we all get into, and you really want to bridge the gap between your creative ideas and what you're able to play, becoming fully fretboard fluent, comment pro below and we can get started.